Descript Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing Descript, an all-in-one audio and video editing software designed for podcasters, content creators, and businesses. Links to the product are in the description below. If you're looking for an intuitive platform that allows you to edit audio and video like a text document, remove background noise, and generate captions or transcriptions, Descript is one of the best tools available. One of Descript's standout features is its text-based editing system. When you upload an audio or video file, Descript automatically transcribes it into text. You can then edit the content simply by deleting words from the transcript, and it will remove those parts from the actual audio or video. This feature is a game changer for podcasters and video editors who want a faster and more natural editing workflow. Another powerful tool is Overdub, which allows you to generate realistic AI voiceovers in your own voice. If you make a small mistake in a recording, you can type in the corrected text, and Descript will generate the missing audio seamlessly. This is perfect for quick fixes and voiceovers without needing re-recordings. For video creators, Descript includes screen recording, multi-track editing, and automatic captioning. The screen recording tool is great for tutorials and presentations, while the video editing features make it easy to cut, rearrange, and enhance footage. The auto captioning feature is a must-have for accessibility and engagement, especially for social media videos. Descript also has AI-powered filler word removal, which eliminates ums, and awkward pauses with a single click. This makes audio sound much more professional without the need for manual cleanup. Pricing starts with a free plan, which includes basic transcription and screen recording. The Creator Plan, $12 a month, offers unlimited screen recording and watermark-free exports, while the Pro Plan, $24 per month, includes Overdub, advanced AI editing, and higher transcription limits. The only drawback is that AI-generated transcripts may require minor corrections, and Overdub's voice cloning takes some setup. However, for an all-in-one editing and transcription tool, Descript is an incredible time saver. Overall, Descript is a must-have for content creators, podcasters, and professionals who need an efficient way to edit, transcribe, and produce high-quality content. It streamlines the editing process and provides powerful AI-driven tools that make content creation easier than ever. Check the links in the description to try Descript today.